In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a meeting in Webex. Whether you're a first-time user or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the entire process seamlessly. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you're comfortable using. Once it's open, simply head to the search bar and type in Webex. Press Enter, and you should see the search results appear almost instantly. You're looking for the official Webex website, which should be the first result. Click on it to be directed to the Webex homepage. Now, if you haven't already, you'll need to log in. Locate the Login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Enter your credentials. That's your email address and password. It's crucial to ensure that these details are correct to avoid any login issues. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll find the option to sign up on this page too. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. This is where you'll find all your Webex functionalities laid out. Look for the Meetings tab. It's usually visible on the main menu or as an icon. Click on it to access your Meetings page. Now that you're on the Meetings page, the next thing you want to do is find the Join a Meeting link. This is a critical step. Whether you've been invited to a meeting or you're accessing a pre-scheduled meeting, this is where you'll initiate the joining process. Click on Join a Meeting, and you're almost there. You'll now be prompted to either choose a meeting from the list of available meetings if it's a recurrent or scheduled meeting. Alternatively, if you've been provided with a meeting link or number by the host, you can paste it into the designated field. Make sure that the link or meeting number is accurately entered. Otherwise, you might find yourself trying to join the wrong meeting. Finally, once you've selected your meeting or entered the necessary details, click Join. Depending on the meeting's configuration, you might be asked to do a quick audio and video check before entering. This is a good opportunity to make sure your microphone and camera are working correctly if these features are required for your meeting. Congratulations! You're now ready to participate in your Webex meeting. Remember that a stable internet connection is essential for a smooth experience. So before starting, ensure your connection is strong. We hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more confident navigating Webex. Thank you for watching and wish you productive meetings ahead.